Top 4 best foods that will flush out toxins and save your kidneys. I'm about to reveal something that could seriously protect your kidneys, and it might be one of the easiest things you ever do, because there are certain foods that can help your body flush out toxins naturally, reduce inflammation, and take pressure off your kidneys, starting with your very next meal. And the shocking part is this. Some of these foods work faster than most people expect. They can help reduce swelling, support better urine flow, and even help your kidneys filter waste more smoothly overnight. But almost nobody talks about them. Most people think kidney problems only happen when you're already on dialysis. But the truth is, kidney damage often starts quietly, years before you feel anything serious. Fatigue, puffy ankles, foamy urine, frequent bathroom trips at night. These can be early warning signs. And here's what doctors don't always explain. Your kidneys are constantly trying to clean your blood. If you eat the wrong foods every day, toxins build up faster than your kidneys can handle. But if you eat the right foods, you can actually help your kidneys clean your body more efficiently. These are not expensive superfoods. They are simple, real foods you can find in any grocery store. By the end of this video, you'll know the top 4 best foods that can flush out toxins, support kidney cleansing, and help protect your kidney function naturally, especially after age 60. Stay with me because food number 1 is something many people eat the wrong way, and fixing it could make a big difference in how your kidneys feel within days. Number 1. Beans. Most people don't think twice about beans, right? But what if I told you eating beans could actually help flush out toxins and protect your kidneys? Let me show you why adding beans to your diet could be one of the best things you do for your health. When we talk about kidney health, most people think about avoiding salty foods or drinking more water. But did you know there's something else you can add to your diet that's not only great for your kidneys, but can also help detox your body? It's beans. Beans are a powerhouse when it comes to improving kidney function. In this video, I'll explain why beans should be a regular part of your diet, which types are best, and how they can help keep your kidneys in top shape. Here's the thing. Your kidneys work hard behind the scenes. They filter toxins, regulate electrolytes, and even produce hormones essential for bone health. But with all that responsibility, they're under constant strain. If you're not eating the right foods, your kidneys can start to struggle, leading to issues like kidney stones, infections, or even kidney disease. So, how do we help our kidneys keep working properly and flush out toxins? It might be as simple as adding beans to your diet. Beans are incredibly healthy and bring a lot to the table when it comes to kidney health. First off, they're packed with fiber, which supports kidney function by lowering blood sugar and cholesterol levels. Both high blood sugar and high cholesterol can damage your kidneys over time. So, fiber helps reduce that risk. If you have diabetes, adding fiber-rich foods like beans can also help manage blood sugar more effectively. But that's not all. Beans are rich in potassium and magnesium, both essential for kidney function. Potassium helps balance fluids and maintain blood pressure, but the kidneys regulate how much stays in your bloodstream. Too much potassium can lead to heart problems, so it's crucial to keep levels balanced. Beans have potassium, but the body doesn't absorb it as easily as it does from animal products, making beans a great choice for kidney health, especially for those needing to limit potassium intake. Let's break down the numbers. Half a cup of cooked beans provides 6 to 9 grams of protein. Protein helps repair cells, fight infections, and support muscle function. Beans also provide a solid amount of iron, which is necessary for making healthy red blood cells. Black beans, kidney beans, and lentils are all excellent options to consider. Now, you might be wondering, how exactly do these beans help detox your kidneys? It comes down to fiber. Again, fiber acts like a broom, sweeping through your digestive system, collecting toxins and flushing them out of your body. This not only helps your kidneys stay clear of toxins, but also supports better digestion and overall health. Plus, beans are low in fat and high in water, which helps hydrate your body and makes it easier for your kidneys to do their job. Here's another key point. Beans help lower inflammation. Chronic inflammation is one of the major contributors to kidney disease. The antioxidants in beans like flavonoids and polyphenols reduce inflammation, giving your kidneys much-needed protection. When your kidneys aren't inflamed, they can filter out toxins more effectively, which is why beans play such a vital role in kidney detox. So, here's the takeaway. Beans aren't just another side dish. They're packed with fiber, protein, potassium, and magnesium, all of which help flush out toxins, reduce kidney inflammation, and support kidney health. Whether you're concerned about kidney disease, want to improve digestion, or just want to maintain good health, beans are an easy, affordable, and effective addition to your diet. Number 2. Tofu. Tofu, a food many think is just for vegetarians, but did you know it's also one of the best things you can eat for your kidneys? Let me show you why. Adding tofu to your diet can help flush out toxins and keep your kidneys in top shape. Kidney health isn't just about drinking more water or avoiding salty snacks. What you eat plays a huge role in supporting your kidneys, and one of the most powerful foods to add to your diet is tofu. Tofu is packed with nutrients that help detoxify your body and support kidney function, making it an ideal food for anyone looking to improve their health. In this video, we'll talk about why tofu is so great for your kidneys and how it can help keep you toxin-free. Your kidneys are responsible for filtering toxins, balancing fluids, and regulating electrolytes in your body. But when you consume the wrong foods, like too much salt, sugar, or animal protein, your kidneys can start to struggle. Over time, this leads to kidney stress, which can cause problems like kidney stones or even kidney disease. The question is, how can you help your kidneys work better and get rid of toxins more effectively? The answer might be easier than you think through tofu. Tofu is a great source of plant-based protein that supports kidney health in several ways. It's low in phosphorus, potassium, and sodium, all minerals that can be tough on your kidneys if you consume them in excess. Tofu's low levels of these minerals make it a safe option for people who need to watch their intake due to kidney concerns. Plus, tofu is rich in essential amino acids that your body needs for energy, muscle repair, and overall cell function. One of the best things about tofu is that it's high in fiber, calcium, magnesium, and healthy fats, nutrients that contribute to better kidney function. Fiber helps reduce blood sugar and cholesterol levels, two factors that can cause kidney damage if left unchecked. By lowering these levels, tofu helps reduce the strain on your kidneys, allowing them to function more efficiently. Another benefit of tofu is that it helps balance potassium levels in the body. Potassium is a crucial mineral, but too much of it can be harmful to the kidneys. Tofu's moderate potassium content, about 121 milligrams per half-cup serving, makes it a safe, kidney-friendly option that still provides the benefits of potassium without overwhelming your kidneys. Tofu also helps reduce inflammation in your body, which is key to protecting your kidneys from long-term damage. Chronic inflammation is a major factor in kidney disease, and tofu's antioxidants help reduce this inflammation, giving your kidneys a break and allowing them to filter out toxins more effectively. So here's the bottom line. Tofu isn't just a vegetarian option. It's a fantastic food for kidney health. It's low in harmful minerals, high in plant-based protein, and packed with nutrients like fiber, magnesium, and healthy fats. By adding tofu to your meals, you'll be helping your kidneys detoxify, manage inflammation, and function at their best. If you're finding this helpful so far, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more tips to protect your kidneys. And if you have any questions or thoughts, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Let me know how old you are and where you're tuning in from. Let's keep the conversation going. Number 3, apples. Think apples are just a sweet, crunchy snack? What if I told you that this humble fruit is one of the best foods to flush out toxins and keep your kidneys healthy? Let's dive into why apples should be a staple in your diet. Kidney health isn't just about what you avoid eating. It's also about what you add to your diet. And one of the best foods to support your kidneys is something you probably eat every week: apples. Apples are low in potassium, phosphorus, and sodium, making them ideal for anyone looking to keep their kidneys functioning at their best. In this video, we'll look at why apples are so beneficial for kidney health and how you can incorporate them into your daily routine. Our kidneys work hard every day, filtering toxins from our blood and balancing minerals in our body. But when we overload them with too much salt, sugar, or processed foods, they can struggle to do their job. So what can we do to help keep our kidneys in top shape and ensure they can filter toxins effectively? The answer might be simpler than you think. Apples. Apples are a great choice for kidney health because they are naturally low in potassium, phosphorus, and sodium, three minerals that can put extra strain on the kidneys if consumed in excess. For people with kidney concerns or those looking to maintain kidney health, this makes apples a safe and smart option. Even better, apples provide plenty of dietary fiber, which helps support digestion and removes toxins from the body. But it's not just about being low in harmful minerals. Apples also pack a punch with antioxidants. These antioxidants help reduce inflammation in the body, including in the kidneys, giving them extra protection. Chronic inflammation is a major factor in kidney damage, so apples help prevent that damage by supporting a healthy inflammatory response. When it comes to kidney-friendly fruits, apples shine because they are affordable and versatile. Whether you're enjoying a Honeycrisp, Gala, or Red Delicious, you'll be getting the same kidney-boosting benefits. For example, half of a medium-sized apple contains just 95 to 106 milligrams of potassium, around 8 to 9 milligrams of phosphorus, and about 12 grams of natural sugars, all at a low sodium content. Here's the key benefit. Apples help your kidneys filter toxins without overloading them with excess minerals. The natural sugars in apples are balanced by fiber, meaning they don't spike your blood sugar like other fruits might. They're also full of water, which helps hydrate your body, aiding the kidneys in their detox process. So here's the takeaway. Apples aren't just delicious, they're an excellent food choice for kidney health. They're low in potassium, phosphorus, and sodium, packed with antioxidants, and full of fiber to support detoxification. By adding apples to your diet, you're giving your kidneys the support they need to function optimally and flush out toxins. Number 4. Yogurt. Did you know that yogurt isn't just a tasty snack? It's actually one of the best foods to help your kidneys stay healthy and flush out toxins. Let's find out why adding yogurt to your diet is a game-changer for kidney health. Kidneys play a crucial role in detoxifying your body and balancing important minerals. If you're looking to support their function, what you eat matters. Enter yogurt, a simple, affordable food that's packed with nutrients that help your kidneys stay in top shape. In this video, we'll break down why yogurt is a kidney superfood and how it can help your body flush out toxins more effectively. Our kidneys are responsible for filtering out toxins and regulating minerals in the blood. But when you eat too much processed food or salt, they can get overloaded. That's why it's important to include kidney-friendly foods like yogurt, which support the kidneys in doing their job more efficiently. So how does yogurt help with kidney health? Yogurt is packed with essential nutrients that are great for kidney health. First, it contains calcium, phosphorus, and B12. Calcium helps strengthen bones, while phosphorus supports kidney function by balancing calcium levels in the blood. B12 is also key. It provides energy and helps your body produce red blood cells. These nutrients are critical for maintaining overall kidney health. But there's more. Yogurt is also rich in probiotics, the good bacteria that support gut health. A healthy gut means fewer toxins circulating in the blood, which eases the burden on your kidneys. By including yogurt in your diet, you can help maintain both your gut and kidney health at the same time. The best part? Yogurt comes in many varieties, plain, Greek, or even plant-based options like soy and coconut. So there's something for everyone. Whether you're looking for protein, probiotics, or just a snack, yogurt checks all the boxes. Let's take a look at the numbers. A half cup of plain non-fat yogurt gives you 4.23 grams of protein, 127 milligrams of phosphorus, and 210 milligrams of potassium. If you opt for Greek yogurt, the protein jumps up to 10.3 grams per half cup, while potassium and phosphorus levels are lower, making it a great choice for kidney health. Greek yogurt also contains probiotics that are beneficial for your gut and kidney health. So here's the bottom line. Yogurt is not just delicious, it's a powerful food for your kidneys. With its high protein, calcium, and probiotic content, yogurt helps your kidneys flush out toxins and maintain healthy mineral levels. Plus, it's easy to find and affordable, especially if you buy in bulk or look for store brands. Whether you go for regular yogurt or Greek, adding this superfood to your diet can give your kidneys the support they need to function at their best. So there you have it. 4 amazing foods, beans, tofu, apples, and yogurt that can help flush out toxins, protect your kidneys, and keep them functioning at their best. Each of these foods brings something unique to the table, whether it's fiber, protein, antioxidants, or gut-boosting probiotics. By including these simple, affordable foods in your diet, you're giving your kidneys the support they need to stay healthy for years to come. Taking care of your kidneys doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Just start with these foods and you'll be on the right track to better kidney health. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and check out the next one, where we'll dive into even more easy tips for keeping your kidneys in top shape. See you there.